designing a simple jewelry box using Fusion 360. So let's get started. First thing we always do is create a sketch. There's our top view. And I'm going to create my first rectangle here. I'm going to go 10 inches long for the side of the jewelry box and 5/8 thick, right? So there's my first piece. That's one of my sides. And I'm going to put a 45 on both of these right now. So I'm just going to grab a line. I can come up like this. And I don't care about the length right now. What I care about is the angle. So I'm going to go 45. And while I'm in here, I might as well do the exact same thing. Go back to line. And on this side, I don't care about my length. 142. Well, really, it's 90 plus 30 or 45 is 135. That would make 45 degrees there. Right? There's that. I'm going to go T for trim. And I'm just going to trim all these different parts out. And you can see the angles are left, but my distances aren't. So I'm going to right away put a 10 there, hit enter, and I'm going to dimension this once again because the dimension's gone and it's 0.65, which is 5/8. All right, there's my first piece. Now what I'm going to do, hit escape to get out of dimensioning. I'm going to highlight the whole thing, right mouse click, I'm going to copy it, click somewhere else, right mouse click, paste it. And we are simply, I'm just going to move this so you can see this. Going to come up, I'm going to rotate it around, and we'll just rotate it something like that at 90 degrees. And I'm going to put it over here and just kind of move down a bit. And what the heck, we'll just put it a little closer here so we can see it on the screen. All right, hit enter. There's my piece. Now, all I'm going to do is take this 10 and I'm going to make it 7, right? So there are my two pieces. One's 10 inches, one's 7. They're both 5/8 thick, and we're finishing our sketch. All right, what's next? Well, we're going to extrude the two pieces. So go to extrude. I'm going to extrude the first one on its own separately, and I'm just going to pull it up to, I don't know, let's say 3.5. And over here, make sure I go new component, otherwise we mess up. And it goes now. The sketch disappears, but that's okay. The sketches are here. I'm just going to turn them back on. And I extrude the other one, right? And I'm just going to pull it up to 3.5. And once again, over here, new component, and okay. So now I have my two components. They're individual of each other, which means they're independent, right? We can move. Now what we need to do is add a couple things. So this is where, you got to think about this. What are you going to do? How's your top and bottom going in? So in this case, we're going to take a break and come back in part 2 and explain that and do it.